As you saw, Microsoft has a beautiful presence here at Bett. And for those who can't attend Bett, what are some of the things you guys are talking about and that you're showing on the show floor?
Well, I think first of all, the biggest thing is that we can meet in person. I think the past 2 years have also, of course, been at the same time amazing because with technology, schools, teachers, learners have been able to continue their learning, so the learning has never stopped in most of the countries in Europe especially. And now actually we can showcase some of the things we have done to make the hybrid learning even more effective. So for instance, how we can use data and analytics, how we can create devices that are easy to manage, that are securing the privacy and security of the learners, etc. And then we have a lot of prizes in our hands, how we can have the positive motion and work with the whole ecosystem. Are we talking about the education systems or HP, Microsoft, different kind of content providers, gamification, etc. So the sustainability, digital human rights, those are the themes we need to continue working together to make online learning, future-ready skills, the world a safer place for everybody.
There you have it. Well, we just gave you a taste of it. Sorry you couldn't attend, but we're live at Bett.
And they stay tuned.